Oh my God, viewers! This animal niche is one of the hottest and fastest growing niches on YouTube right now. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how you can create these highly viral videos completely for free. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, open YouTube and search for the channel called NZTV Official. Now take a look at this channel. It has uploaded only around 10 videos and has approximately 7.32 thousand subscribers. But here's the shocking part. Despite being such a small channel, it is estimated to be earning around 4.6K per month, which is a very impressive amount. And if we look at the performance of its videos, the results are absolutely unbelievable. One of its videos, uploaded just 4 weeks ago, has crossed over 1.7 million views. Another video uploaded only 10 days ago has already gained more than 600,000 views. This clearly shows that the channel is very new, yet its content is getting massive traction and reaching huge audiences. And when you scroll through the channel, you'll notice that almost every video is receiving hundreds of thousands, and in many cases, millions of views. The niche is simple but extremely powerful. The channel creates videos featuring snakes, pythons, giant lizards, monster reptiles, birds, dogs, and various wildlife encounters. The storytelling, visuals, and action-packed scenes make these videos highly engaging and incredibly watchable. I have already created a powerful master prompt that does almost everything automatically. This master prompt generates complete scene-by-scene storytelling, detailed image prompts, professional video prompts, voiceovers, sound effects, cinematic directions, high-quality visual descriptions. In short, everything you need to create a professional wildlife video is included in a single prompt. All you have to do is copy the master prompt, then open ChatGPT. After opening ChatGPT, simply paste the master prompt into the chat box and click the Generate button. And just like that, boom, you can see the results immediately. Scene 1 includes the image prompt, video prompt, voiceover, and sound effects. Scene 2 includes the image prompt, video prompt, voiceover, and sound effects. Scene 3 includes the image prompt, video prompt, voiceover, and sound effects. And the same process continues for all the remaining scenes. Everything is generated automatically with just one click. As you can see, all 10 scenes have been created in a highly professional and organized format. The results are incredibly detailed, cinematic, and ready to use. And trust me, this master prompt can save you hours of work because it handles almost the entire content creation process for you. You can find this master prompt in the description of my YouTube video. Simply go there, copy it, and start using it immediately. I also recommend saving all the generated prompts in a document file. Create a dedicated folder, organize your scenes properly, and keep everything stored safely for future use. Now that our prompts are ready, let's move to the image generation process. For image creation, I will be using Flow AI, just like I normally do. The process is very simple. Open Flow AI, then select the Nano Banana model. Next, copy your first image prompt and paste it into the prompt box. After that, click the Generate button. Now, all you need is a little patience. Wait a few moments while the AI processes your request, and boom, your first image is ready. Take a look at the result. The quality looks amazing, the details are sharp, and the overall visual style is exactly what we need for viral wildlife content. Now let's move to the second image. Copy the second prompt, paste it into Flow AI, and click Generate again. Wait a few seconds, and once again, boom. The second image is now ready as well. The quality is consistent, the details are impressive, and the visuals look highly engaging. Next, I simply continue this same process for every scene. I copy Scene 3's prompt and generate the image. Then Scene 4, then Scene 5, Scene 6, Scene 7, Scene 8, Scene 9, and finally Scene 10. Once all prompts are submitted, the AI starts generating every image one by one. At this stage, all you need is a little patience. Let the AI finish its work. And then, boom. As you can see, all of my images are now completely ready. Every single image looks cinematic, highly detailed, and perfectly suited for wildlife storytelling videos. The results are extremely engaging and visually impressive. Now I simply download all the generated images one by one and save them to my device. As I promised earlier, everything shown in this tutorial can be done using free AI tools. For creating videos, we will be using a completely free AI tool called AI Studio Tencent. You can find the link to this tool in the description of my YouTube video. Simply click on the link and the website will open automatically. Now, one important thing to note is that this is originally a Chinese platform, so when the website opens, the interface may appear in Chinese. But don't worry. All you need to do is right-click on the page and select Translate to English, or use your browser's built-in translation feature. Now let me show you how to log in. First, locate and click the Login button. Once you click on it, you will see multiple login options. Select the email login option. After that, enter any valid email address that you have access to. Once you enter your email, the platform will send a verification code to your inbox. Now open your email account and check for the verification message. You will find a code inside the email. Simply copy that code, return to the website, and paste it into the verification field. After entering the code, click the confirmation button, and that's it. You are now successfully logged into the platform. After logging in, you will see the main dashboard of the AI tool. Now I will click on the Multimodal Experience section. As soon as you enter this section, you will notice several AI models available, including HY Image 3.0, plus HY Image 3.0, HY Video 1.5, 12Vi, additional AI generation models. For our workflow, we will be using HY Video 1.5, 12Vi. Simply click on HY Video 1.5, 12Vi to continue. Once you open it, a generation form will appear on your screen. Now the process becomes extremely simple. The first step is to upload your image. So I will upload the first image that we generated earlier. After uploading the image, I will go to the prompt section. Then I will copy the video prompt generated from our master prompt and paste it into the prompt box. Once everything is ready, I will simply click the Generate button. And now the AI starts working. At this stage, all you need is a little patience. Boom! My first AI-generated video is now ready. Oh my God! Viewers, just look at the quality. The motion looks smooth, the animation is realistic, and the overall cinematic effect is absolutely amazing. Now let's continue with the next scene. I will return to the upload section and upload my second image. Then I will copy the corresponding video prompt and paste it into the prompt box. After that, I will once again click the Generate button. As you can see, the second image-to-video generation process has now started. Again, we simply wait for the AI to complete its work. And after a few moments, boom! My second video is now ready as well. And once again, the quality looks fantastic. The animation is smooth, the visual details are sharp, and the final result looks highly professional. Now I simply repeat this exact process for all remaining scenes. For voiceovers, I recommend using tools like 11 Labs or any other AI voice generator that you prefer. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video with another exciting idea. Until then, take care and goodbye.